Alright guys, so today have probably my favorite looking bike because of the color scheme. I'm a sucker for the white, black, and gold. Uh, Something about all white just is really sick. That's why I love the white boots. It's just one of my favorite color schemes, especially with just white and black and the gold accents. But factory edition Husky 450 today. Thank you to my buddy Casey, who always lets me ride all of his wonderful bikes. So factory edition, he did do some upgrades. He's got the ride engineering, lower link, and the triple clamps. I already took this out, and it feels really planted. It feels really good. Still getting used to the power, but overall, I'm really loving the bike already. Just it being a factory edition, I love it as it is, but just riding it, it just feels really good, and I gelled with it right away, just getting used to the power. So, gonna bring you guys along, give you my opinions, my thoughts on it, and I am kind of in the market for a 450, just to supplement having the 250. So, yeah, just riding a bunch of different bikes and seeing what I like the most.
Hey guys, AJ from the Moto Academy here. Welcome to the RVens YouTube channel. TMA is a proud sponsor of the RVens channel and everything that he's got going on. Make sure you come join our community, train with us online inside of the app. Click raised description down below. Don't wait, sign up, try it for free for, I don't know how long our free trial is. And Millie will teach you guys everything you need to learn on two wheels. Okay, see you guys inside the app. Back to the video.
Gotta really stay in front of this bike, let it push you across the track. Easy to get ripped off this bike. Whoa. bike feels really good too. Casey set this up super good. Getting a lot of traction out of the front and rear end. Power's amazing. One thing with the 450 is that you can really lug it, be smooth in the corner, and have that power like that just to make it out of everything. Take this outside this time. Go out. Woo! Go outside this time. I mean, this thing is so smooth. Smooth through the corners. So yeah, absolutely, get the breakdown now. Absolutely love this bike. Might even ask Casey if I can buy it. He's got this thing set up. He's got this thing set up really, really good. I mean, this bike is so planted. It feels so good. But yeah, that's gonna be it for me. I absolutely love this factory edition. I gelled with it really quick. I've really ridden it all day long. So thank you to Casey for letting me ride this thing. It's been an absolute blast. Power's amazing. It's definitely snappy, but with some good discipline, you can ride this thing all day long. Chassis is great. The linkage just helped with this thing be even more planted. This bike's really like opened up my my world to the Austrian bikes, and specifically this one. I'd totally just buy this one the way it's set up. So yeah, I wouldn't make any changes. Bike was perfect. Love this thing. Absolutely love it. So thank you, Casey, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Hit this little triple out. Woo! So good. Appreciate you guys. All right. How much do you want for it?
I was like, he's gonna want to buy it. Like, he looks so good on it. He looks so good, dude. It's got ever since doing the clamps and then the gold valves, like the air fork to me feels great.
I wouldn't change anything really.
Dude,
I might make
freaking good on it.
I might maybe like soften the front just a tad, but like nothing other than like it feels really good. It's very snappy.
The power is strong.
It's very strong. I wouldn't take it out of the mellow.
No, didn't you?
I wouldn't. Yeah.
This has a CUO unit, so there's actually several. There's like 6 different maps.
I'm thinking about it. Yeah.
Like, what do you want?
I got rid of one. I sold my 450 Rockstar. I liked it, but I'm too fucking old to get hurt. I like a bike I can make go faster. These things scare me sometimes.
What?
There's a couple softer maps, even if you wanted to try them on the CUO.
Do you have like the freewheeling on this, like where it does?
I turn the engine braking all the way down.
Yeah, because it freewheels really good, and like it makes me more confident to like when I go to scrub, actually fully letting off and it coasting up.
Yeah, I took all mine out when I had mine.
I'm loving this thing.
I could tell. You're hitting that quad so easy, dude. Just greasing the exhaust.
What's that?